Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting immediate access. Sign into your Google account and enable two-factor authentication so sessions and tickets stay secure. Once done, install the official Google i/o app or open the registration page. This is where schedules, live streams, and RSVP appear. Make sure to sync your calendar and pick topics you care about so recommendations surface. This reduces noise and gives you prioritized sessions. You'll save time and catch relevant content during the live event. You should arrive early to sessions. Join 5 minutes before start to test audio and enable captions so you don't miss technical details. As the talk runs, submit concise questions and vote on others. This increases your chance to get answers and shapes follow-up content. Make use of interactive labs and code sandboxes to apply concepts instantly, and download slide decks and SDK links for later exploration. Doing this converts passive watching into active learning and speeds up real-world implementation. You finish by organizing what you learned. Mark favorites, export sessions to your calendar, and copy important links into a single note so follow-up is immediate. Then schedule hands-on blocks to try sample code and join community channels or GitHub repos for continued support. If you encounter streaming or login issues, try simple fixes first. Clear cache, use an incognito window, switch networks, or plug in Ethernet for stability. This resolves most problems and gets you back to the content quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.